Hey everybody, I'm Trish from Foldfactory, and this is your 60-second super cool fold of the week. Thanks for watching. This week's super cool fold is totally awesome. You're gonna love it. This is from our friends at Worth Higgins and Associates in Richmond, Virginia. This is a piece they produced for Virginia Commonwealth University, or VCU. This was designed in-house by Claire Harding and team at VCU University Relations. This is their annual report, and this is one of the coolest annual report formats I've ever seen. Beautiful colors, beautiful oversized format. This is 11 by 11. It mailed in a larger envelope, but watch this. Opens up with so much dimension, and then these flaps are actually little gate flaps that fold in and have additional information. So these fold in, this closes down like this. Infographics on the back, just really exciting, self-standing, dimensional. So I'm going to take one apart for you because I want you to see how these were made. They gave me an extra, which I always like, and I tore it apart. I did my best here. So this is basically the shell, or the carrier piece is a gatefold. You can see that's just the tears from me tearing out that center piece there. So so you can see the shorter gate panels here, and I love the little angled shape on these panels, by the way, that fold in. That's just a nice little detail. But then as you can see, this piece was also a separate piece. It's got two long tabs and a score on either side, and then this has dimension here. These are die cuts that go across and they go in and out, so just kind of a varied design. And then these were hand folded and hand taped into the brochures, and then that final fold was done by hand. So these were printed for color, flood aqueous coating on both sides, 80-pound premium dull cover, coated cover on this, just gives it a lot of really nice strength, and just really clever and fun and dimensional and creative. So I hope you like it. That's your 60-second super cool fold of the week. Gate fold with dimensional insert. Forward this to your friends and colleagues. Keep the dialogue going. If yours, please send me your folds. If I use them, I'll send you free stuff. Visit foldfactory.com for folded samples, style lines, and print. And remember, think finishing at the beginning. I'll see you next week. Bye.